Sometimes peace doesn't mean escaping to the mountains. Sometimes it's already right outside your door. This is our home in the province, and this is what stress free living looks like. Every day starts slow, no alarms, no traffic noise, just the smell of coffee and the sound of birds. And for a moment, you remember what life should feel like. There's always something to do, but never in a rush. Chores feel lighter when you're not racing against time. Even simple things like watering the plants or cooking a meal become grounding. In this space, silence isn't empty. It's peaceful. You hear the wind, you feel the sun, you become present, and slowly the stress melts away. We may not have the city lights, but we have time. Time to be with family, to rest, to breathe. And maybe that's more than enough. This is home, this is peace, and this is the beauty of provincial life.